How to connect PS5 to a hotel Wi-Fi. So connecting your PS5 to hotel Wi-Fi can be tricky because most hotels use a login page that consoles don't automatically open. In this video I'll walk you through the proper steps to connect your PS5 to the Wi-Fi in a hotel and authenticate it using your phone or laptop. Number 1. Open up your PS5 network settings. You go to Settings, Network, then Settings, and set up internet connection. And then your PS5 will scan for available networks and select the one that is corresponding to hotel's one. If it asks for password, enter the one provided by the hotel. You may get a message saying cannot connect. That's normal because the PS5 can't open the login portal yet. On the same screen, press Options on your controller, choose Advanced Settings, connect using a phone, or Authenticate, and your PS5 will show a QR code or link. Scan the QR code with your phone. It will open the hotel's login page. Log in using your room number and last name, voucher code or password. And then once authenticated, the PS5 will connect automatically. And then you can just test your connection, go to Settings, Network, Test Internet Connection to confirm that everything works. And also some notes for you guys. Now some hotels block game consoles entirely, so hotspot may be the only option. Speeds vary depending on hotel bandwidth. And for Ethernet only rooms, you may need a travel router. And that is how you connect your PS5 to a hotel Wi-Fi and enjoy internet. If this helped you out guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, we greatly appreciate it, and see you soon.